that the researchers even gone through RT2, and even some of them have not able to clear that कि जितनी भी information है, this is an updated one. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope आप सब बहुत अच्छे होगे, खुश होगे और अपनी ये journey enjoy कर रहे होगे. इस वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आरटीज विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड री अटेम्प्ट्स. विल सी कि हमें री अटेम्प्ट्स क्यों देने पड़ते हैं, क्या पैटर्न होता है, कितना टाइम मिलता है, क्या लेवल होता है. विल सी कि कैसे उसको किस तरह से प्रिपेयर करें ताकि वो क्लियर हो जाए. अगर ये जो री अटेम्प्ट्स हैं अगर ये क्लियर नहीं हुए तो क्या होगा, क्लियर हुए तो क्या होगा. वील सी ईच एंड एवरी थिंग इन दिस वीडियो. लेवल क्या होता है री अटेम्प्ट्स का, सब कुछ देखेंगे डिटेल में इस वीडियो में. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन, वैसे तो आई वांट कि आप लोगों का प्राइमर और टेक्जेनिक्स ही क्लियर हो जाए, आपको री अटेम्प्ट्स में ना बैठना पड़े. बट अगर कुछ भी सर्कमस्टेंसेस जो भी हैं उनके कारण अगर आपको बैठना भी पड़ रहा है, सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट कि वो भी क्लियर हो जाए. ठीक है. सो या लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी कि व्हाट आरटी इज एंड हमें आरटी कब देने पड़ता है, राइट. सो यार, इफ we won't able to score 60% in primers and techgenics, then only we need to appear for RTs. So RTs is basically retest, right? तो हमें अगर हम score नहीं कर पाए, then only we need to appear for the retest, and we have 2 attempts, RT1 and RT2. ठीक है. Now let's see the pattern of RT, right? So we have 40 questions which we have to complete in 1 hour. 40 questions are in RT1, and if RT1 is not clear, if we won't able to clear RT1, then we have RT2 also. So 40 questions in both RT1 and RT2, for which we have 1 hour of time. ठीक है. So yeah, actually I haven't appeared for RT. I never appeared for RT. I never wrote RT, so I have no experience on it. Especially for this video, जो आप सब लोग comments में पूछ रहे थे, especially for this video, I asked someone to collect all those informations. All the information regarding this so that we can do this video. And that colleague of ours is a new joiner in Accenture, right? So we can say that कि जितनी भी information है, this is an updated one. So not get away from the path. Let's come into the track. Let's come to the track and let's continue with this video. So far we have gone through the what is RT and what is the pattern of RT. Now let's see what is the level of RT. So according to him, the level is basic to medium. So for those who have got a new technology, we all know that we don't have any such dumps for the new technology. So you need to prepare with the materials provided in the portal of Day to Learn, or materials provided by the Accenture. They usually ask very concept based questions, so you need to prepare accordingly and you have to go for the examination. And for those who get a regular technology like Java, Oracle, SAP, testing, etc., so they already have those dumps presented. So please go with the dumps nicely, because mostly question they ask is is actually are actually directly from the dumps, or at least some they twisted the question and they ask. So basically they ask from the dumps, so please go with the dumps surely. Okay. So यार अभी एक नया चीज़ has came to Accenture, that is hands on. So till last year we don't have hands on, but this year we do. Also I have to mention a very important thing in this video, that is please go thoroughly with the trainings the SME provides you. Please go nicely with the trainings. They teach you how to do hands on, how to practice on hands on. Please come with the basic ideas on how to do hands on, because I come across with the fact that the resources even gone through RT2, and even some of them have not able to clear it, in the case of art, in the case of these hands on. So I just want you to please prepare well for this hands on, and take your trainings nice. Please be attentive in please be attentive when they are giving you your trainings. So, yeah, I need to say that please don't feel bad or don't worry if you are going to write an RT or if you have gone through RT. Please remember that the only motive we have is to clear these assessments so that we have a safe place in Accenture. Uh, Also, lastly, I would like to thank that colleague of mine who have helped me to collect all these information so that we have created this video. Before ending this video, I would like to summarize our whole video, like what we have discussed so far. So we have seen what is RT and how and who will going to write an RT. So if we have scored less than 60% of average in our primers and techgenics, we need to appear for reattempts. We have two attempts. We have two reattempts, that is RT1 and RT2. The level is basic to medium. We have very concept based questions usually asked in RTs. Then the pattern is we will get 40 questions in 1 hour of time. Then we have seen that if we have got some new technologies, there is no dumps. You need to work with the materials provided by the portals like Day to Learn, and we have many more portals, but also with the essential materials. And if you have those the trainings which are regular trainings like Oracle, SQL, Java, right? Java and all testing, then you can go with the dumps. Then we have discussed about the hands-on. I really ask you to please go with the videos and the SME trainings nicely. Please be attentive while I'm repeating this again and again. Please, please, please be attentive while going with the trainings, because the SMEs they actually tried their best to pass to make you clear these assessments. And if you are only the person who are not going to join them, they can't do anything, you know. So please be attentive while doing these trainings. And yeah, all the best. I know you can do it. You will clear those assessments and find your place in Accenture. So I just let me check कि मैंने कुछ मिस तो नहीं किया. Yeah. So yeah, we have covered almost each and everything. So if you have any other doubts, you can easily comment down below. So if we know, we'll clear that. We'll try to clear that. And if not, then we'll contact them again and we'll try to get your query answered as soon as possible. Also, we'll meet you in the next video, and in that video we'll discuss about the either we'll have a Q&A session or we'll have a project related video where we will be going to share like how to choose a project in Accenture. We'll find this question. We'll see this in the next video, that how we need to find a project in Accenture. So yeah, we'll meet you next video. Tab tak ke liye, keep preparing, keep smiling, keep preparing, and never lose your hope. Yeah, meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.